Hello my loves, it's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner. It is for the week of March 11th through the 17th. This planner is called Deep Botanicals. No, this planner is called Moody Florals. I don't know what I'm talking about, you guys. I'm losing it. So I'm gonna be grabbing a sticker from Versed Planning. Look how cute this girl is. So I want to use her and some of these new botanical stickers from Live Love Posh. I thought that would be a good combo. And the green sticker book from Live Love Posh, the green blooms. So I'm gonna be combining all of this. It is St. Patty's Day, so we're gonna make it as green as possible with all these plants. I know it's not St. Patty's themed, but you know what? There'll be enough of St. Patty's spreads out there. So we're going to do something different. I'm just grabbing that green book. And if this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. And if this is your not first time and you're coming back to spend more time with me, well, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for spending more time with me. I truly appreciate all of you guys. So here we go. We're going to get back into the spread. So like I said, I pulled out the green book. I need those boxes and stuff from here. And then we're going to get into that botanical book. Look at this. So pretty. Like, I cannot wait to get my little hands in there, or claws as I call them, and start stickering. So look how beautiful this is. Like the whole bathtub scene, everything. And we're going to put this girl right on the bottom here, I think, so she can hang out in her little chair. I do have one of these egg chairs. Mine is suspended. And I really love it. Like, that's kind of my reading nook, and I really enjoy being in there. It's like nice and cozy, and you just sit and cuddle up with a book, and it's kind of enclosed. So if you're claustrophobic, that might not be for you, but if you like cozy spaces, that is fantastic. So just a little background here. But anyway, let's get those boxes in here for this week. It's gonna be a busy one. I've been working extremely hard in the last couple months. I've been probably putting between 50 plus to 60 hour weeks, which is insane, I know, but you know, some months you gotta do it. So I'm just gonna add these and then kind of try to get as much done as possible. So let's see where this takes me. And yes, I placed the box crooked. First box down, second box crooked. That's how this works with me. Okay, so let's put this in. Okay. When my page is at the angle, I think I do better. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so all these boxes are going in, at least one a day, to kind of put the highlight, whether it's a win or whether it's an event or whether it's something. Those make me happy because I get to look towards something. So that's how I do it. Okay. I'm gonna use these checklists and the little boxes too, because everything will match this way. And this green book, you guys, is almost done. It is so loved by me that there's most of the pages are flying somewhere. So just heads up. Okay, so I'm gonna add all of these. These are my working hours. That's kind of how I track my work. Here we go. And then of course I'm gonna be adding more and more stickers. So yeah, I want to use these little checklist boxes. They are super cute, and we're gonna add 3 a day. So it is a little bit of a process, so bear with me, but I don't intend to do more than 3 things a day, because again, I've been working so much, it's just not even possible. So, okay, so I'm just adding these things. They look so cute in there. Oh my gosh, but they are kind of a pain to put in, right? You guys all can imagine that because all of us had to work with small stickers at some point. So funny, but good. Okay, so adding stuff, a couple more days. I might be moving them depending where my sticker lands, but we shall see. I like them. Okay, so add a couple more to this side. Did you guys get the new botanical book from Live Love Posh? And if you did, let me know if you love it because I am obsessed with it. And also, have you guys checked out Versed Planning? Her girls, like her dolls, are to die for. They're like my favorite. And her paper quality is amazing. So I love it. Okay, that's crooked. Let's fix it. Okay, perfect. Better. Maybe not perfect, but better. And let's add a couple on here. And then I see that there's another page with them, so thank God, because that would not be enough. But I do like these little guys. Okay, 3 more for Sunday, and then we sticker, okay? Well, we're stickering the whole time, but you know what I mean, like the fun stickers, not the functionality ones that make us actually do things. Okay, sticker time. You guys, I also have this washi. I think it's old from like Amazon a couple years ago, but I thought this would kind of work pretty well, so we're gonna use that too. Just gonna add a little bit here and there, and then we'll see how it looks. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I think it's gonna work great. Okay. Let's put stickers first, and then I'll decide where the washi should go. So I'm just gonna keep it on the back of my hand so it's not wasted. It is a skinny roll, so I don't have as much as I normally do in here. So as you can see, I left a lot of the bottom portion of the plants empty so we can do as many plants as possible in there, since it's going to make me super happy. And I want to add this window. So let's add it to that big weekly list and kind of go from there. I also want to add this office on this side, since it looks like she could be chilling, kind of waiting to get back to work. Maybe it's her break, whatever. And let's put some potted plants because they make me super happy too. Well, I'm just gonna move this little guy. And I can move these up a little. It won't bug me if they're closer. I usually write pretty small. So if you guys watched the flip throughs of my planners, they are quite small. So I should be okay, is what I meant. Okay, let's add this little plant right here so it can hang and make me happy. And then, yeah, look at these monstera leaves. Oh my goodness, it just, yeah, adorable. Let's add a little bit of color in here because I have nothing outside of green. So we're gonna add that red one. Let's add this one too. That's aloe vera. Yes, I am a plant freak too. On top of my planner free like collection, I do have quite a bit of house plants and they are adorable. And I love my house. With all of the greenery in it. I think it's very calming and just different. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this washi and we'll see how it goes. So I'm just looking for my cutter, but I can't find it. So we're just gonna use the ruler because my desk outside of the area I'm filming is right now a big one mess, okay? yeah, and that happens, and that's okay. I call it life. So I'm gonna add more of this washi to kind of make me balanced. So I'm gonna see where I can like sneak in some of it. As you can see, the spread is filling up, and if you guys know me and have been following me for a little bit, you probably know that I do prefer a little bit of a fuller spread, at least for myself. I think it does make me like use my planner and look at it a lot more when it's busy and kind of intriguing me. So I do like full spreads, and it's not for everyone. Some people need the empty space. Some people don't even use stickers, you guys. I know, shocking, right? So I'm like, how, like, if you could have a fun planner, why wouldn't you? But I guess it's not for everyone. And it's such a personal choice and such a personal journey. Obviously, I do this because it relaxes me to the next level. Okay, I'm gonna add this darker green, and I'll see how distracting it is when I'm writing. And if it's too much, I will take it off as I'm planning my weeks. But yeah, I wanted to add this like darker green, or not even darker, more vibrant green, to as a second strip of washi. And I'm not sure how that's gonna work out. So as I'm adding this, we shall see. As you guys see yourself, it is kind of a lot, and that's what I thought it might be, but I'm not gonna decide whether to keep it or not until I write in it and see if it's distracting or calming. If it's distracting, it's gonna go. If it's calming, it's gonna stay. So that's kind of where I am. Okay, but that is my whole spread. I'm gonna pop this back into my planner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys love plants and this book from Live Love Posh as much as I do. And yeah, that's all I had. I had a lot of fun with you guys, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.